Common sense dictates that the leader of that political party that won the election would command the confidence of the majority of that house. But here's the thing. That's actually a courtesy offered by the Governor-General. He is not required to appoint the person that you like. Welcome to the initiative on UIC Liberty TV. I'm your host, Devon Thompson, Middlesex Vice President of the United Independence Congress. Here we impart knowledge as we attempt to fix the issues that we have in Jamaican society. The time for talking is over. It's now time for action. I made a TikTok video that received a bit of attention where I stated that Jamaicans, nor the people that they elect, selects the Prime Minister of Jamaica. What is the Governor-General that does this? Not only do voters not select the Prime Minister, the people who they vote for don't select the Prime Minister either. It's actually the Governor-General. But is that true? Yes, it is. Though I made an error when I used the word select. It's actually a pretty weak word that has no power. The Constitution uses two words, elect and appoint. I should have stuck with those two words to ensure that the message didn't get lost. But here's what the Constitution actually says. Whenever the Governor-General has occasion to appoint a Prime Minister, he, acting in his discretion, shall appoint the member of the House of Parliament who, in his judgment, is best able to command the confidence of the majority of the members of that house. Here is what that means to me. The United Independence Congress as a political party may elect Joseph Patterson as the leader of the political party. That means they want him to become the Prime Minister when they win the election. And the Jamaican populace may elect a majority of UIC MP candidates to the House of Representatives. But nobody becomes Prime Minister yet. First, the Governor-General needs to decide, based on his judgment, who is best able to command the confidence of a majority of the House of Representatives. Historically, the Governor-General appoints the leader of the political party that wins the election. How do you win the election? You win the election by getting a majority seat in the House of Representatives. But common sense dictates that the leader of that political party that won the election would command the confidence of the majority of that house. But here's the thing. That's actually a courtesy offered by the Governor-General. He is not required to appoint the person that you like. He could, for example, appoint me, so long as I am a member of the House. What do you think would happen if the person expected to be Prime Minister lost his seat in an election? The Governor-General would then have to use his power to appoint someone else from the House of Representatives, someone who he believes in his judgment commands the confidence of a majority of the House of Representatives. So what do you think? Is it time to take apart this old constitution and replace it with a brand new constitution made by Jamaicans for Jamaicans? One that actually gives the power to the people and equally protects our rights? Leave your comments below. Tell me what you think. I want you guys to take action today. Like, follow, subscribe to our page, share this video with all of your friends and family because the UIC is doing something big. We're doing something amazing. No more talk, we're acting. Thanks for joining me on the initiative on the UIC Liberty TV. The United Independence Congress is a political movement in Jamaica. We depend on our members and our subscribers to keep the lights on. So I can continue to provide these amazing contents to you. Donate to the United Independence Congress today. The link is in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.